welcome back. I hope everybody that's watching has a good new year. It's January 3rd. It's like 48 degrees out, so we're doing some firewood, and I wanted to show something I picked up the other day. It's the 4-way wedge that slips over on the Countyline 25-ton log splitter. So let me spin you around and I'll show you what we got going on. Alright, so this is what we got. Basically, it's just your normal 4-way wedge. This one just pulls on and off as easy as that. I've seen some where you got to take this wedge off and then re-bolt it on. But the downside of this wedge is once you start getting into, bigger rounds like this, these cherry rounds, it just seems to be easier to pop the wedge off, break it down into your 3 or 4 quarters, and then slip that back on, to go the rest of the way. So they say you can use this vertically. I haven't tried it yet. I normally don't really split that way. I prefer standing instead of kneeling up and down a bunch of times. But it's got a little backing. So, and the way it is when it hits it, it would kind of lock down on there. So I'll try it. Not today, but we'll go over it. So I'm gonna grab one of the smaller pieces here. Kind of making some headway here. So I'm gonna grab one of the smaller pieces over here. Give you a quick demonstration of how it goes through. Instead of cycling the piston twice to go through, now you can just go through one time, get your 4 pieces, and move on to the next one. Alright, so it's easy as that. Naturally, the piece I picked is head was full of knots, so it's not the best when it's knotty or twisted. I kind of wish the ears on the side were a little bit longer, but out of every other video I've watched, they all seem to be about that size, so I'm sure there's a reason for it. If you know, let me know. Maybe it's with leverage snapping off, I don't know. But that's that. So I'm gonna try to get a couple more videos out to you. The Mingo paint marker, that actually just should be at my house now, so I'm gonna see how that works, and I have a few more other ideas for some videos. Try to get back into this a little bit. Nice little hobby. So till then, probably be some more firewood videos coming at you. I mean, there's plenty here, so between cutting it, splitting it, and selling it, so it's my brother and I, we only do it on the side. Right now we're at like 27. I think the last load he brought out was 27 cords for the year so far. So this stuff here has all been seasoned. It's been log lengths for 2 or 3 years. I started logging this property a while ago and just left these log lengths, so here we are. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments.